Everybody, Eric Hendrickson giving you the Mortgage Minute for the week of September 5th. Well, last week was a huge week for data. We had the job opening report, we had the ADP private payroll, we had unemployment claims, we had the national non-farm payroll report, not to mention throwing in the personal consumption expenditure, the PCE, which is one of the Fed's favorite inflation measures. So that huge week, we were all bracing for what could have been extreme volatility one way or the other. Certainly we were hoping for a moderation in all the data that would support a trend towards lower interest rates. But I would have been willing to bet after the end of the week we really would have broke out one way or the other. But after all that data and the dust cleared, we were almost unchanged from the start of the week with a little bit of a dip downward. So we did see certainly with job openings and the ADP report, those came in under expectations, showing a moderation of the job market. The non-farm payroll report on Friday did beat a little bit to the high side, but the average hourly earnings was a little bit lower, and also previous months' numbers were revised lower as well too. So definitely an overall macro trend towards moderation. And then we had the PCE report, which overall did show a continued decrease in the level of inflation, but the core numbers were still a little sticky. So what's the big picture? I think investors in the capital markets just were saying, hey, we still need to see a little more information before we're really going to get excited about pushing rates and yields lower. And I think the Fed is still looking at this as well too. And I think the thought is they're not going to be bumping anymore, but the decision as to when they might eventually cut to a less restrictive level, the jury's still out. So silver lining is the macro trend is definitely going in our direction. We did see a little bit of improvement in home loan rates, but we're going to continue to be patient and look for more data coming up in upcoming weeks. And we'll keep watching the market. Stay tuned. Have a great week.